Hey, before this video begins, I'd like to sincerely apologize for the cuck joke in the last video. I know it wasn't great when I did it. It felt bad to say it, but yeah, for some reason we still kept it in. Yeah, I'd just like to apologize for that. It wasn't okay, and it won't happen again, I promise. Nothing like that. All right, well, thanks. On to the video. Hi, hello. It's me again. I don't Yeah, okay, so I've been working on the chart editor a lot. We're just gonna skip to the where it's at right now, because I made the prototype like a year ago as of now, but I don't really want to show all that stuff. So we're just gonna skip to where it's at now in version 21, and let's hope for the best, because you don't need to know every detail. I don't need to know I don't know anything. Hey, look at this cool menu we have. Look at these cool placeholders. That's Archduke Franz Ferdinand. That's Markiplier. Anyways, yeah. Oh yeah, we also have this cool command line now. Hey, check this out. That's pretty cool, right? Anyways, yeah, you can load the chart editor from here, and here's the current chart editor. I added some fancy UI, made some cool clicky noises. Look at this. Listen to this. That's cool. Yeah, you can place notes, you can import stuff, select, there's a select box. Camera events we have like, those are like 3D camera events for those Nightmare songs. Camera preview, events. It's fun. Okay, so you can just place in notes. You can place in hold notes, alt notes, alt hold notes. You can select the singer here. So like if you have like, I don't know, like 2 players, you can do like singer 4. Here we have events, play animation. I love play animation. Change BPM. I have a lot to say about the BPM changes, but let's save that for later. Yeah, a lot of stuff in here. Let's not have you in here. It's fun. A lot of stuff in here. Camera events, cause camera events because they're cool. I just put the thing in here. Look, we have the bouncing. Yeah, there's also like tweening animations. That's pretty cool. We can save things as a pattern. Call it like haha. And then we go down here and paste haha, and yeah, and the face shows up, and you can't get rid of the face. Melonbread's told me he really wants to get rid of the face. I'm not letting him. And yeah, so the chart editor has been really useful to just make the charts a lot quicker. It took really long to make. There's like a couple months of work. Yeah, there's also there's also a test button. Hey, let's play this chart. Let's see what we made. That's a bug. Don't worry about it. Isn't this cool? That's awesome. Yeah, so it's a bit of a mess. Still, there is stuff I do differently if this was like if this was for other people than me and Melon to do stuff in. But hey, it works for me. I think it's pretty cool. Let's let me load a chart, just like a normal one. Yeah. The face doesn't leave ever. It's never gonna leave. You know who else is never gonna leave? Have you looked in the mirror? Don't look in the mirror. Hey, so do you remember how all the old charts are made in MIDI? Yeah, well, I didn't want to sit here for 40 hours and remake those all from scratch, so I made another tool. It's less good, but it exists. It's called MIDI to chart, and it's just this menu. It's just this little menu. So you just load a menu. Here's the old irate chart, and you can load the instrumental, and that's for like the value of what's a hold. It's weird. Don't worry about it. Yeah, and then you just start it and it does its thing, and then you just sit there and watch. Okay, so the BPM changes were a unique challenge to say the least. Uh, yeah, so as I foreshadowed a couple last weeks ago, I as you can see, like this whole chart bar is just one solid line instead of like in the old base game one, it being like in segments. So like for regular charts, this is great. For when you want to change the BPM, this is horrible, because then complicated math that I don't understand. I figured it out eventually, but like the process of figuring it out was so weird. It's not even that hard. It's not that hard, but just I kept messing up in some way. So it just was like it was months. It was just months of messing around with the code, fearing it. Look at how much of this is just commented out. Look at how many tests this is. It was not great. I did not have fun with the BPM changes. I don't think I can look at it right. I don't think I can really understand the code anymore. Yeah, so a while back we had another issue of like some stuff. I don't even remember, but yeah, I had to get Sleepy Cacti to help with that because I just couldn't. And yeah, yeah, she this sucks. And yeah, she figured it out eventually. Not a pretty quickly. It only took a couple hours, but yeah, big thanks to her again. Second time, third time for she's been helping quite a bit. So that's cool. Yeah, we have like yeah, in look, I can make them kiss. I love you, Chips. Draw them kissing. If you're watching this, draw them kissing. Hmm. I can also make it. I can also make it the girlfriend. Yes. Be best friends. I can also flip them. Yeah, but don't flip them. I think that's kind of broken. Don't break stuff. If you're broken, don't break. Okay. Anyways, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. I know you've done it. Thanks for clicking that. Who cares? Goodbye.